exciting tong pag-aralan. So, just like this, every day you go to the sun, 2 hours. So, in English, sabi nga, merong Breatharian Emerald Tablet na tinuro ni Tot. Okay? Ito, Greek. And nag-umpisa to from 36,000, 6,000 BC. 36,000 BC. So, Breatharian Emerald Tablet to. So, balik tayo. Meron ditong lesson tungkol sa vitamin D. Okay, why we get energized. Okay, bakit merong lakas yung katawan ng tao. Okay, kapag iniinit natin yung mga, when we heat up our electron cells in the powerhouses, okay, of the cells, which we call the mitochondria. So, we talked about ATP factories where these electron cells are found in the mitochondria. And when these electron cells are being heated up to 90, how many thousands degrees Celsius, we are being energized, just like phones. Okay, so these electron cells that act like our batteries, these are the cells that we heat up. Ano yan? Ano pangalan? Excuse me. Okay, so excuse me, we will continue the lesson. Guys, if you're interested. So I just got high just thinking about that. Anyway, so if you want also to learn about this with me, you want to accomplish the miracles of the one thing, and just as all things have come from this one thing through the meditation, there's no more sun, of one mind. Now let's look at that word, mind. So I'll come back. Your brain cannot do nothing on his own or in its own. Your brain is a device, okay, but it's a powerful device. Yeah, but it's the energy, okay? It's the energy of the mind that's going through the brain. Now there's nothing between your head. You go to a funeral, the brain and the body is laying there. So that's why when you deal with the Breatharian message, I keep telling you got to listen to Elitom Elamin. It's a holistic lifestyle. Okay? We want to listen to the Breatharian people. Okay? It's a holistic lifestyle, mind-body connection. And when I say the body, I'm talking about the cells of the body. Then we just bring up the cells, feeding off of that. Just now, we got to make it, to make it more sense other than that you're going to be beating in the wind. So, I'll come back guys for more. So, there. Did you like our topic today? So, marami pang susunod guys. Send to the Breatharian people. It's a holistic lifestyle, mind-body connection. And when I say the body, I'm talking about the cells of the body. Then we just bring up the cells, feeding off of that. Just now, we got to make it, to make it more sense other than that you're going to be beating in the wind. So, I'll come back guys for more. So, there. I will try to tell you about the Breatharian Emerald Tablets of Thought, okay, part 2. Here we are again, dealing with the Emerald Tablets of Thought. So, part 1, he gave us the understanding of how the consciousness of humanity is getting better and with the different levels of education when it comes to Breatharianism. And let's take a trip here. I am in the shade part of our garden. Now, I'm just going to step also outside. So, gusto ko ng araw dito. There's changes taking place. Okay, kapag pumunta tayo sa labas ng bahay, so nakakuha tayo ng sikat ng araw. It's very powerful now that it's actually the ultimate energy source of this planet. Hands down, nakukuha rin natin siya. So, ultimate energy source of this planet is the sun. Okay, so kung gusto nyo yung idea ng Breatharianism, for the sake of really learning about it first, hindi naman kailangan na Breatharian ka kagad. So, pag-aralan muna natin, okay, yung mga, tinuturo ni Elitom Elamin. So, sa mga overweight, sa mga problema ngayon, like sa budget sa food, kung ano naman nintindi, magandang timing to na mag-iba tayo ng lifestyle. Ay, yan. So, try din natin i-share sa TikTok yung mga sinashare natin dito. Anyway, ito yung mga lessons niya.